Ever wondered why we use static variables in Java and how they actually work? It's a powerful tool in the programmer's arsenal, yet seemingly shrouded in mystery. A static variable, unlike its dynamic counterparts, has a lifespan that stretches across the entire execution of a program. But what does that mean in practice? How does it impact the code we write every day? Well, brace yourself because we are about to dive into the world of static variables in Java. First, let's understand what static variables are. In the world of Java, static variables are unique creatures. They are variables that are declared with the keyword static. This keyword makes all the difference, and here's why. When you declare a variable as static, it's like giving it a VIP pass. This variable now belongs to the class itself, not to any specific instance or object of the class. Imagine a classroom where every student has their own notebook, but there's also a whiteboard that all students share. That whiteboard is like a static variable, shared by all and belonging to the class, not to any one student. Now, how do you declare a static variable? It's simple. You just put the word static before the variable type when you declare it. For example, static int score. And you can initialize it just like any other variable. But remember, since a static variable is shared among all objects, any changes made to this variable by one object will reflect in all the other objects as well. It's a shared resource, remember. So if one student writes on the whiteboard, all students can see it. What's more, you can access a static variable without even creating an object of the class. You can do so directly through the class name. Cool, isn't it? So static variables are class variables that are shared among all objects. This makes them a powerful tool in Java, allowing for shared data among all instances of a class. Now that we understand static variables, let's summarize the key points. Static variables in Java have several intriguing characteristics that make them uniquely useful. One of their most distinctive traits is that they are shared among all instances of a class. This means that any changes made to a static variable by one object will be reflected in all other objects of the same class. Another important aspect of static variables is that they are initialized only once at the start of the execution. This makes them a reliable choice for storing constant values that won't change throughout the program's runtime. Furthermore, static variables exist even before the creation of objects, making them readily available whenever they're needed. And to top it all off, static variables can be accessed directly by the class name without the need for creating an object. And that, my friends, is the lowdown on static variables in Java. Remember, they're your secret weapon for managing data that's shared across all instances of a class. Before we plunge deeper into the complex world of Java programming, let's pause a moment to connect. We're embarking on this journey together, and your support is what keeps our content flowing. If you're finding these tutorials beneficial, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. More updates. It's just a click away. By subscribing, you'll receive timely notifications on our latest videos and be the first to know when we roll out new content. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button like you're ringing a bell. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might also be interested in understanding the intricacies of Java. Remember, learning is a journey best undertaken together. Now let's dive back into our programming adventure,